Hey guys, welcome to Tutorial Guru. Today we'll be learning how to add music to Instagram post, and now let's dive right in. In order to add music to Instagram post, first open up your Instagram app, and after opening Instagram app guys, first we'll be required to create a post in order to add the music. So to do that, you can see the plus or button or the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Tap on that plus button or the plus icon, and on this interface guys, you can see we are on the post section. So be on the post section and you can create a new post from over here from the camera, but we'll be just uploading a demo photo of some dolls. And after that, let's tap on the next at the top right corner of the screen. You can choose any of your posts, and from over here guys, you can edit your post. Now in order to add music to your post, at the top of the screen you can see there is the eraser and the music icon available for us. Tap on that music icon, and from over here you will be able to choose any music you like on Instagram. You can see there are a lot of music over here. So in order to add one, tap on it, you can search for it, you can browse for any music from over here. To choosing your music guys, let's tap on one of the music over here, and let's pause this and let's go to the beginning for the just demo purpose guys. So over here you will be required to tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner of the screen, and over here guys, your music will be added to your post. And in order to proceed, now at the top right corner of the screen, tap on the next, and you can see guys, it has been processed. So after filling all of the information, tap on share, and then your post will be shared with music. And with that being said guys, this is how to add music on Instagram post. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching guys. Peace.